Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a wish list on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, marketing and discounts. And here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sales. Right here, you're going to find your applications and lastly settings. So right now, in order to add a wish list, you can click on add apps right here and then go here to the bottom and click on Shopify App Store. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to this tab right here. So basically, guys, this is the App Store for Shopify. Go here to the top, then you're going to find this search bar. Give it a click and then search for wishlist. Once you do that, hit enter. And then you're going to find all of these applications that will help you with adding a wishlist to your store. For example, I'm going to add this one, Wishlist Plus. And then click on install to install the application. So just wait for this page to load and then click on install right here. And then just wait for it to be added. And once added, you can pin it right here. It's going to be displayed under applications. So right here, as you can see, guys, you can find your dashboards, features, and also pricing plans. So in order to set up this application, we're going to go to dashboard and then complete these steps, set up Wishlist Plus. So first of all, you need to set it up, then publish it on your store. And lastly, you can just start monitoring. So just click on proceed with setup and then just follow the steps until you finish setting up your wish list. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.